I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry wine. First, choose grapes with balanced sugar and acidity. Then, crush and destem them, preparing the must for fermentation. Ensure your equipment is thoroughly sanitized to prevent unwanted microbial growth. This initial preparation sets the stage for a successful dry wine. The heart of dry wine making is fermentation. Introduce a suitable yeast strain to your grape must. This yeast will consume the sugars, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide. Keep the fermentation temperature consistent, typically between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure a complete conversion of sugars. This process defines the wine's dryness. After primary fermentation, it's time for post-fermentation care. Rack the wine off its lees, which are dead yeast cells and other solids, to a clean vessel. Consider malolactic fermentation for red wines to reduce malic acid. Finally, stabilize the wine through fining or cold stabilization to ensure clarity and prevent future issues. Aging is a critical step for many dry wines, allowing flavors to mature and integrate. You might choose to age in stainless steel or oak barrels, depending on the desired profile. Once aged, carefully bottle your wine, ensuring minimal oxygen exposure. Proper bottling preserves the wine's character for enjoyment later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.